Hello, my name is John. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 top reasons why, if you're a solopreneur business owner, you need to be using email marketing if you want to take advantage of what's available to you as a solopreneur. So number 1 is return on investment. So it's widely accepted that for email marketing, the return on investment tends to be more than 30x. So in other words, for every dollar you spend in email marketing, you can expect to get at least $30 back. If you look at the recent figures published by Statista, the large data warehouse, they actually state it as being $42 for every $1 invested. So it's a huge return, something that you'll find it difficult to match on any other platform, certainly organic platforms, and certainly ones that are as easily accessible as email marketing. So, if you're ignoring that return on investment, you're doing yourself a disservice and you're putting your business at disadvantage to other people who are taking advantage of it. Number 2, you can actually run email marketing literally for free with zero cost. Financial cost. Obviously it takes time and effort, but financially you can run it for free. If you just look at this example here, so this is Kit, the platform I use. If you join using the newsletter plan, it's actually $0 a month for up to 10,000 subscribers. Now it comes with one basic visual automation and one email sequence, so it is restricted, but that said, you can still run an effective email marketing system in your business using this plan. I've done it many times for many customers, and it's definitely something that you can use. So don't let cost to get started be a factor in determining whether you do it or not. You can certainly do it for free. Number 3, you own the audience with email marketing, not a social platform. So if you're active on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, any of these social platforms, you don't own the audience. You're borrowing the audience from that social platform, and they determine who will see your content, not you. Email marketing, by contrast, you own the audience. If you decide to move from one email marketing platform to another, you simply take the list with you and move it on to the new platform. Of course, each subscriber on your list is, it's up to them whether they remain on your list or not. You are the custodian of that list. Number 4, you get to make the rules. So in other words, you decide who gets to receive your content. You can either choose to send your emails to your entire list or a subset of your list who may be interested in a particular niche or topic. With social platforms, you don't have that flexibility. It's impossible to do that. When you post content onto a social platform, you're at the mercy of the platform to determine who's going to actually see your content. It's commonly quoted. If you look online, you'll see it's commonly quoted that it's a very small percentage, and in this example here, it's shown between 10 and 15% of your audience will ever see any content you put out there. So by contrast, social platforms can really constrain the number of people that you can access. Whereas with email marketing, let's take for example, if you've got 1,000 people on LinkedIn who follow you, and you put out a piece of content, based on these figures, it's probably between 100 and 150 people at most are going to see that piece of content. Whereas if you had 1,000 email subscribers and you send 1,000 emails out, unless there's a technical problem with an email box, all those email addresses are going to receive your content, and then depending on the quality of the content you share, a certain percentage of subscribers will open, read that email, and engage in your content. So it's a much richer experience for the recipient, and a much more engaging one for you as a solopreneur. And finally, number 5, you can create personal relationships, one-to-one relationships with your subscribers at scale. Now, again, it's not something you can do in social media unless you go down the DM route where you're privately messaging someone. Contrast that with email marketing, where you can do things like reference people by their first name, which is a kind of I guess a standard entry level kind of personalization. But you can take the relationship much deeper by collecting people's preferences, what they like, what they dislike, and then weaving that into the content you share with them via email. So for example, you could say if this person prefers video, then send them the video. If they prefer reading blog articles, send them the blog article. So that type of functionality you can design and build into your email marketing system, as well as personalization, like what topics they have, what topics of interest do they have, so that they can then self-select which type of content they want you to share with them versus the stuff that's superfluous or redundant as far as they're concerned. So it gives them a much richer experience of what you can share with them, only getting the stuff that they want, meaning that you've built this personalization into your email marketing system, giving the subscriber the best experience they can get, and giving you as an email marketer the highest levels of engagement that you can expect with your email marketing system. So that's my 5 top reasons why, if you're not using email marketing, you should do. Literally anyone can do it. Don't sit back and think you're not technical or you're not capable. You absolutely are. If you're able to watch this video here on YouTube, you're more than capable of setting up, designing, building and launching your own email marketing system. If you want some help, check the links below. I've got free resources in there. Go and have a look at them, and I can guarantee that you'll have your system up and running in a matter of days. I hope this was helpful. If you want more content like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.